baby, I want you.
Hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created for you a sunset eyeshadow makeup tutorial. If you guys are ready to see how I create this look, you guys go ahead and do me 3 favors: like, subscribe, and share the video. You guys make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss a video again. Why would you want to miss a video? You guys, without further more ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay, hey Forever Dolls, welcome back to my channel. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is take the Smashbox primer, and I'm gonna use this to prime my face, you guys. This is good for combination skin, oily skin, dry skin. It's good for all types of skin, you guys. It's not too heavy on the face, it's not too oily, and you do not get dry throughout the day. I recommend you going to pick this up. So I'm just gonna take my hands and rub that in. So I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu, and I'm going to be using this yellow color, you guys, to act as my transition color and just give the look a nice, pretty, vibrant, and bright transition. So I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to be picking up this orange to blend right underneath the yellow to give me a sunset kind of look. Y'all, when I say this orange is like my go-to, this yellow and this orange out of the Juvia's Place palette is like my #1 go-to. Like the colors together, you guys, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go back into this Juvia's palette, and I'm gonna get the purple out of there, and I'm gonna use that to blend right underneath the orange color and just blend all the colors together so that we can get a nice smooth setup and get ready to cut our crease. So right now, as you guys can see, I'm just taking this brush and I'm just packing that purple into the lid, getting it to my perfection. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. I'm going to go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm going to grab this yellow, and I'm going to be working that into the part closest to my tear duct. Okay, and next I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna grab this orange color, and I'm gonna blend that right on top of the yellow to give it like a nice smooth transition effect. Now I'm just gonna go in with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray, you guys, and just hydrate my face and get it ready to apply my foundation. I am going in with the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I'm gonna be using this foundation to perfect the look. The brush that I'm using, you guys, is a NYX foundation brush. You can get it from your drugstore, you can get it from Ulta, anywhere that carries NYX products, you guys. This brush has been a lifesaver to me. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face. I'm simply going in with a concealer not much brighter than my foundation color, simply because I want to keep the highlight pretty natural and subtle. Okay, so moving back onto my eyes, you guys, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Dip Eyeliner in the color Black, and I'm going to use this to create my wings. And you guys, drawing wings is not my strong point. Like, I don't know. It's just, I don't know.
Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender and spray it with my Mario Rose Water Setting Spray. And at this time, guys, it is time to blend out the concealer on my face. And we're also going to clean up the eyeshadow as well as the eyeliner with this concealer. And you guys, funny tip, when it comes to blending out your concealer, the less that you blend it out, the more that it shows the effect of the illusion that you're trying to give off. So make sure you just blend out the rough edges and try to just work in the inner part. So now I'm going in with the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set that concealer and everywhere else on my face that would normally get oily. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to pull that purple, and I'm just going to dust it right underneath my eyes to give myself some bottom eyeshadow, you guys. This has made the look pop so much. Sometimes I forget to do my bottom eyeliner, my bottom shadow, you guys. Just bear with me. Okay, so now I'm going in with my favorite duo for my lips. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Trophy Wipe and the NYX Butter Gloss to finish off the look. Okay, so I'm going in with the Morphe continuous setting mist, and you guys, when I tell y'all it is holy grail, oh my goodness, you guys, get it, just go and get it. So to glow, you guys, I'm going in with the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter, and this has been my favorite highlighter this past couple of weeks, you guys. I don't know, it's just been doing something to me. It's been giving me the right type of highlight, like yes ma'am, wham bam. So yes. Yes, girl. Okay, you guys, this pretty much concludes this tutorial. If you like colorful looks on my channel, be sure to tell me in the comment box down below. Tell me something that you guys want to see next, and I'll try to get it out as soon as I can. I love you Forever Doll so much. Thank you for the endless support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.